headmaster's restricted archives. He mentioned a specimen that was a triumph and a tragedy. It has to be in here somewhere.
This animation was made with free AI using just one prompt. Hey friends, welcome back. Today, I'm walking you through my full 4-step workflow, from story idea to final animation, using only free AI tools you can start using right now. Every story starts with a plan. But instead of mapping out every detail by hand, we're using one powerful prompt to turn Gemini into our own AI director. I call it a master prompt. It upgrades Gemini from a basic chatbot to a focused creative partner. You can grab the full master prompt in the description below. I'll start by telling it I want a 4-scene epic fantasy story in a gothic stop-motion style. Gemini gives us a full outline in seconds. If you don't love it, you can ask for changes or rewrites anytime. You can also choose from the character ideas it suggests, or write your own. And just like that, we've got a full production plan. The story, the characters, and all the prompts we'll need for the next steps. Next, we move into Whisk AI, a powerful free image generator from Google's experimental labs. What makes Whisk perfect for this kind of project is that it works like a visual blender. You can feed it images for your character, background, and overall style, and it smartly fuses them with your text prompt. So now, let's create our master assets. I'll start by copying the first expert prompt Gemini gave us for our visual style. I'll set the aspect ratio to landscape and fix the seed for consistent results. And just like that, we're ready to start creating in that classic Tim Burton-inspired style. Besides the style, I'll also generate all the characters and backgrounds Gemini gave us, so we've got everything we need to move forward. Now we head back to our AI story architect and let it know we're ready to move on. It instantly generates the full production plan, still image prompts, animation prompts, everything we need. Just like that, we've got the complete blueprint for our film. Now it's back to Whisk to start building the scenes. At this point, it's just copy, paste, and go. For example, for scene 1, just drag your style reference into the style box, your characters into the character box, and the background into the scene box. Then, copy the final prompt Gemini gave us for scene 1, and you're good to go. Okay, I've dragged in Lenore, the background, and the style reference, and here's the result. But in scene 1, we're supposed to have both Lenore and Kane. So now, let me show you the difference when I drag both characters into the character box. You'll see right away how much more accurate and complete the scene becomes. Just repeat that for each scene. Now it's time to bring our scenes to life. To animate your images, you can use any AI video generator, but since I promised to keep this fully free, I'll show you 2 great options. First is Vheer, completely free with unlimited image and video generation. It also has a bunch of useful AI editing tools. I actually created this visual using Vheer. The second option is Luma Dream Machine, a powerful image-to-video tool that gives you a more cinematic, professional look. It works on free credits that refresh every month. Once you're inside Luma, you'll see the interface is super simple and easy to use. To get started, just click the plus button to create a new project. You can make a video from text, from a frame, which is what we'll do with our still image, or even use a reference image. Luma also gives you built-in camera movement presets, so you don't have to write camera directions into your prompt. Over here, you can tweak settings like aspect ratio, resolution, model type, and clip duration. Alright, enough with the tour. Let's animate a scene and see it in action. As you can see, the results from Luma are absolutely stunning. It also gives you powerful tools, like upscaling, editing after generation, extending the clip, and reframing your shot. One of my favorite free features is sound effects. Just click on Audio, describe the mood or specific sounds you want, and hit Generate. That's it. So now we have our beautiful, silent animated movie. But what if you want to add narration or character thoughts? For a final bonus tip, just go to the CapCut website and open the Text-to-Speech tool. You can choose from a wide range of AI voices and easily filter by style, gender, language, and more. Then, type what you want the narrator to say and click Generate.
The headmaster's restricted archives. He mentioned
And just like that, you've got a full professional workflow to turn a single idea into an animated story. Just quick tip, the animation prompts we created with our master prompt are optimized for Luma Dream Machine, but this simple, action-based style also works great in other AI video tools, so don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment if you make something. I'd love to see it. Love you all, and see you in the next one.